Welcome to Monkey Doodle, friends. This is Mr. L. Today we're going to draw a fantastic panda bear. So let's go. We're going to start up here with a cool oval shape, pretty large. And we're going to put a few little hair things sticking out of the panda. That's the panda's head. Now we're going to put two semicircles, not too large. It is a bear. Most bears don't have large ears. And we're going to put a smaller type semicircle shape inside of that. Awesome. Look how quickly our panda is starting to come to life, all right? Now we're going to make a couple of ovals that are a little pointy on top. So watch. A little flat on the bottom and pointier on top. And then one over here, a little flat on the bottom and pointier on top, okay? Now that's panda's eyes. Now, we're going to make a white circle here, a white circle here, and something that almost looks like a crescent moon shape near the bottom. These are going to be nice highlights for the panda once we start coloring the black areas. This is all going to be pretty much black and white, friends, okay? And we're going to put a nice nose type shape that ends in sort of like a point here. And another crescent highlight there. Short line down, okay, and curvy smile back, curvy smile back. Little curve there for a detail, little curve there for a detail. There's panda's face. He's a happy little guy. All right, on to the body. We're going to make the body a little bit smaller than the head. So we're going to make a nice large curve here and a nice large curve going down there. Okay, so you see the head is wider. Going to make a short curve here and a short curve here at the bottom for the front legs of the panda. And we know panda lives in China, right? That's its native country. I believe that is the only place that panda hangs out in is China, okay? All right, two curves up, subtle curve, two lines up, and a short line in between for panda's belly. All right, starting to take shape. Cool. Now we're going to make panda sitting on the floor, so we're going to put right about here. Actually, we need a belly line here, so curve up right between the legs. And right across from it, we're going to do a short curve down. This side, short line curve down. Now when I say curves, these are very soft curves, barely, right guys? All right. We're going to do, with the bottom of the belly almost even, almost a straight line that goes out a little bit past that line, straight line that goes out a little bit past that line. All right. Now, we're going to go up with a curve here, short curve line here, and in between, we're going to connect it with an oval, watch. Tight oval shape there, the bottom of panda's foot, tight oval shape here. The bottom of panda's foot. All right, looking pretty good. Looking like a panda. Panda that lives in China. All right, on the side here, going to do a bumpy line that sticks out. Kind of like a little grass. See, it's like a zigzag line that goes up and down. All right, looking good, guys. I'm proud of you. Mr. L is proud of you. Now, at the bottom here, a couple of short lines that are shooting around sort of here and there. And we can put little blades of grass that just pop up. Make it interesting, right? All right, cool. Really makes it look like he's hanging out on the ground. Awesome. Now, let's see. Let's start coloring this panda, and then after we're going to do some beautiful bamboo here. It's going to be awesome. All right. Actually, before we do the coloring, let's do the bamboo, because the coloring is just black and white. Okay, bamboo. So we're going to make some lines go up, curvy, right next to each other, and a little oval in the middle. We have another one over here that's even longer. Little oval right there. And I think we'll do one more over here. Oval. And little short curves in between the two long lines to make it look more like it's curvy. We're going to do a couple of lines that are shaped like leaves on the outside, and it's a curve on each side. You could say it also looks like a football or an almond shape. Make this guy go behind. And don't forget that line in the middle there. Okay. Nice, looks more like bamboo now. All right, guys, let's take this Chinese panda and get ready to hyperspace color. Yeah, black marker only. Let's go.